Hello, namaste, annyeonghaseyo, hola, privet. Welcome back to this channel. Today we are diving into a fun and creative project, drawing a family tree using sketch pens. For this drawing, we will be using these sketch pens and a pencil. Here I am using color stick sketch pens that I bought from Flipkart. Avoid using them on thin paper. Instead, use chart paper for the best results. Start by planning your layout. Use your pencil to lightly sketch where you want the tree trunk and branches to go. Once you are happy with your layout, use a variety of color sketch pens to draw flowers and leaves. After finishing this part, use a black or brown sketch pen to draw the tree trunk and main branches. For this drawing, you don't need to leave space for names or photos right now because we will add them at the end. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel if you want to see more interesting videos, and leave a comment below. At last, I will share a playlist on creating family trees with various methods and techniques. And there you have it, a beautiful personalized family tree created with sketch pens. This makes a wonderful gift or a keepsake for your home.